Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this particular video. Here, we're talking about the various groups we have in the Alephium ecosystem. That's the countries. I'm talking of the countries, the country groups we have, and the various representatives. And how it's being carried out. We have various groups here that are represented from the various continents of the world. And it's good. The core team brought out this initiative to be able to carry everybody along, irrespective of your geographical location and the language you speak. Not everybody speaks English, not everybody writes English, but still, the core team intends to carry everybody along and to bring them to our ecosystem to benefit, including developers, including investors, including promoters, name it, including the entire cryptocurrency industry. So this is a beautiful initiative by the core team and one that should be upheld and expanded. Now we have the Russian group, we have the Chinese group, we have the German group, we have the Turkish group, we have the Holland group, we have the Portuguese group, we have the Vietnamese group, we have the Indonesian group, we have the French group, we have the Poland group, we have the Greece group, we have the Indian group, we have the Italian group, we have the Arabian group, we have the Nigerian group, we have the Thailand group. Okay, so these are the various countries we have that have been represented, and the current information about the Alephium ecosystem and our dealings are being related in this group in their local languages. Okay, some of them speak English still, so they are being represented. But let's start. This is the Russian group. Currently, you can see that everything here is in Russia. Okay, it's in Russia. One of my uncles schooled in Russia. He's currently a professor, so he understands Russia. So whenever I see this handwriting, it reminds me of his books because I go through the Russian books. So this is the Alephium core teams Russia group. We have the administrator here, working cat managing this group, and he's doing remarkably well. Okay, so if you're Russian, and irrespective of where you are in the world, you can join this group. It currently has 461 members. Okay, and we have the Chinese group here, where everything is written in China. China is one of the most powerful countries in cryptocurrency. Currently, they hold Bitcoin close to 4,000 Bitcoin, which is remarkable. So this is a Chinese group. So if you have, and this currently 1,112 members. If you're a Chinese individual or you understand China from any of the Asian countries, you can feel free to participate, join this group and participate in their dealings. Okay. Then we have the German group, we have the Turkish group, you know. Okay, see everything written in Turkey here. Our core teams were currently at Turkey. Last couple of months ago, these are the images here. Okay, which is remarkable. See, our core team and most of our administrators were in Turkey, and it's encouraging to see them here. We have our chief of the ecosystem lead, Kalita. She's here, you know, and many other beautiful faces here. So this is great. So I have other images. So this is a Turkish group. The highlights are there. Everything written in Turkey. You can always ask questions. You can always join this group if you're from Turkey or you understand the language. Okay, it currently has 164 members. Okay, we also have the French group. Let's just click on the French group. Everything written in French. I currently studied French from my 100 level to about the end of 200 level, so I understand French to some extent. Our ecosystem lead Kalita is here. She's currently in France too. Everything written in French. Okay, so you can also participate in this group if you're a member. We currently have 434 members of this group, which is remarkable. Okay, and by the way, Alephium is originated from Switzerland, which is Europe. So I just wanted to point that out. We have the Poland group, we have the Greece group, we have the Indian group. India is another country that is currently participating in cryptocurrency, which is remarkable. Okay, so we have the Italian group, and let's just take one more group. Okay, we have the Nigerian group. Nigeria is an African country. Okay, we have three major countries here in Nigeria, which is Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Okay, currently Igbo language is being studied in Oxford University. So it's a language anybody can get involved with. So Nigeria is also a country that is predominantly spoken English driven because we're colonized by the Britons, so we speak English here in Nigeria. So Nigeria is a country that speaks English, so we can carry out our activities in English and also other languages. And also Pidgin English is also very spoken here. It's also highly recognized here. So Nigeria currently trades about $20 billion on an annual basis in cryptocurrency digital assets within and outside the country. Remittances, school fees, everything is being carried out in cryptocurrency because the fees are cheap and transactions are very fast in comparison with the traditional banking system. So Alephium is going to be a token that the members will also make use of. Okay, so this is beautiful. So Nigeria is not a country to be ignored. So we also have the Thailand group. Okay, so we can see that everything written in Thailand. Thailand is an European country. I mean, sorry, an Asian country. Okay, it currently has 18 members. So that's basically it. That's just it about this particular the groups we have. In addition, I want to talk about the local communities that the team is still seeking for. Okay, the core team is seeking for ambassadors, local community co-leads that will lead these countries: Turkey, Brazil, Spain, Croatia, Poland, India, and Vietnam. Okay, that will lead the local community groups. Okay, dedicatedly. The core team is looking for representatives. So if you feel you are very fluent in this language or you are residing in that geographical location, you can apply, and our ecosystem lead will carry out an interview with you. And if you qualify, you'll be a lead and you earn ALF tokens in return. Okay, so that's it. So these countries are being represented. If you feel your country is not represented and you want it to, you can reach out to the core team after their evaluation and they feel they can add your core team to this list. You'll be added without spades. Okay, and that's it. And this particular group is an English-driven spoken group. So if you're from America or you're from UK or you're from any country that speaks English, feel free to join this group. It currently has about 8,240 members. Okay. So everything here is being carried out in English. We have our administrators are here around the clock to answer your questions. This link. So that's it. So with that will bring that will okay. So we currently are 15 core contributors, not all full-time. 7 of which are based in Switzerland. 8 are based in other countries: France, England, Serbia, Lebanon, Sweden, China, Thailand, and Germany. As others have said, the legal entity is in Switzerland, just like I said. Okay, this is something I have mentioned many times. Okay, this is what one of the administrators, our core contributor, is saying. We have our contributors spread around the globe in countries, different countries. Working, many of them are working remotely, and working day and night tirelessly to see that Alephium is among the best of the best, which is what you're just doing. Okay, so that's it. So this is our official Telegram group. Okay, this is the English Telegram group. Which anybody can join by default. Okay, so with that will bring this video to an end. If you feel you have any questions you need to ask, feel free to ask in the comment section. You can also ask our administrators on the Telegram group and our X handle. They'll be glad to answer, or our Discord channel too. They'll be glad to answer your questions. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. With that, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay sharp too. Okay, bye.